Hakabayday bag Jingjaboh Lyer hakathan Byrnihat. Uba Sosthenes sootun ulong bagalong kemudian kame badan ke ïatreilang hapring ke Jylla Meglaya bad Asam ban Weng ke na ke Jingjaboh Lyer hakithan Byrnihat hak distrik Pibhoi. Ulong mamalang kapor ujupan pa ke Jing Sokya halor ke Jingjaboh Lyer hakathan Byrnihat namar ke Jing penmi ki karkhana ke badan ke benta jeng Jylla Asam bad Meglaya. Ulihat ho babun ki karkhana kelasya akhang kerdep Ndrai kalong pat ke bakongsan ke sarkar Meglaya bat Asam ïatreilang ban Weng yakni ke jing ke bamat ki pat ba ki basa hakathan kaput.
With regards to pollution, I've been raising this issue from time to time, and then as of now, what we have seen that many factories have been closed down. So the pollution that comes out, it's not only from our Meghalaya state. So we have joint borders, the Assam and Meghalaya. So we cannot say that pollution that comes out, it is from Meghalaya only. So until and unless a joint survey or a the joint survey of the Meghalaya and Assam, and then comes out with the aims and objectives to reduce the pollution, then only it will be difficult if we cannot jointly take this issue very seriously.
Some official visits were conducted. So, what is the outcome of that?
See, official visits from time to time, and they are not, the Meghalaya Pollution Control Board, they are not taking rest. They are taking stern action also. If they find out that any of the factories that emit more pollution, that that pollute the area, so action have been taken.